Welcome, dear listeners, to a serene journey of culinary wonder. Imagine, if you will, the scent of fresh oranges mingling with the sweet aroma of baking, creating a symphony of tantalizing fragrances. Picture the soft, slow rhythms of the kitchen, the gentle rustle of flour, the quiet squeeze of citrus. We're crafting something special today, an eggless orange cake that's as delightful to make as it is to savor. Are you ready to embark on this delicious journey? Close your eyes, relax, and let the sounds carry you away. The first step in our journey is gathering our ingredients. Picture them in your mind's eye: the bright, juicy oranges, the soft, fine flour, the sweet, crystalline sugar. Imagine the flour as soft as fine sand, whispering gently as it cascades from the bag into a waiting bowl. The sound is soothing, like a gentle breeze rustling through a wheat field. Next, think of the sugar, each grain a tiny crystal. Listen to the melody it makes as it rains down into the bowl, a sweet symphony of sound. But the star of our show is the orange. Picture the burst of zesty aroma as you cut into the ripe fruit. The sound is a squelch, a satisfying, juicy release of fresh citrus. Hear the sizzle as the orange juice meets the sugar and flour. The start of something truly delicious. Now we have our cast of characters. Let's move on to the next stage of our culinary adventure. Now imagine the rhythmic dance of mixing these ingredients together. The soft swoosh of the spoon stirring the batter. The quiet thump of the bowl settling on the counter. Each movement is a symphony of sounds, a ballet of baking. The whisper of the flour blending into the wet ingredients, the gentle clink of the spoon against the bowl, and then the grand finale, the oven door. Listen to the gentle creak as it opens, the hushed puff of warm air escaping. The cake slides in, the door closes with a satisfying thud, the timer is set, the button pressed with a soft click. The ticking begins, a steady pulse in the quiet kitchen. Each tick a promise of the sweetness to come, each talk a reminder of the transformation happening inside that oven. The anticipation builds, a delicious tension, and now we wait as the aroma of baking cake fills the air. Hear the ding of the timer, the creaking of the oven door, the soft sigh of a perfectly baked cake cooling on the counter. Listen to the delicate crunch as the knife slices through, revealing the moist, fragrant interior. The clink of the cake server against the plate, the soft rustle as the cake is transferred. Each sound is a testament to our delightful creation. And there you have it, a perfect eggless orange cake. Thank you for joining me on this delightful journey. Until next time, dear listeners.